What's the meaning of Benthamite? Benthamite. Benthamite.
Benthamite. Benthamite. The term Benthamite refers to followers and adherents of the ethical and political philosophy of Jeremy Bentham, 1748–1832. Benthamism, also known as utilitarianism, advocates that the moral value of actions should be judged based on their ability to promote the greatest happiness for the greatest number of individuals. This philosophy became influential in the 19th century and beyond, shaping political and social reforms such as prison reform and the push for universal suffrage. Bentham himself was a prolific writer and thinker, and his ideas continue to be debated and discussed in contemporary moral and political philosophy.